For what it seems like hours spent in on this world, building lots of fireworks for the special, for the display tonight. Here it is, right here, on this floor. You want to see the finale? Okay, here we go. This is not it. You need to follow this line. I'm controlling this one hand. I'm only controlling it with one hand, so we follow the path of redstone repeaters. Then we come to the countdown bells that count down the finale. 3 at the end. And here it is. A logo of my channel will be out with fireworks tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for the display tonight. Bye.